going there, guys? So we're pretty much at the end of the show here in Autopolis, and the cars are starting to filter out, and what's left is, and I can't zoom in for you, is there's a ton of Skylines over there, Skylines here. Whether they're GTs or not, who can say? I mean, you know, GTs are replicas. I always have that thing, you know, should I tell you that this could be a replica or not? And if it says GT, it's a GT. I'm not going to authenticate each car, but yeah, lots of Nissan products. Yeah. There's a guy on YouTube, and he saw a video of this car, and he was like, "Oh, I need to know about that car." And yeah, so here it is again. It is a real beauty. Could do with a clean up, but you know, it's not my car. What am I going to say? Actually, the last time I saw this, the the hatch area had this setup. So I'm unsure what's going on there. Man, that is unreal. So I guess this is a... Yeah, anyway, just some Nissans and Skylines and GTs and Fairladies. There's a nice sweet yellow Fairlady over there, actually. Let's have a look. Yeah, you know, nothing special, just neat and clean. You know, these are good to see in this condition too. Yes. There's a kid walking in the middle of the road, and the old brain bug wants to leave. Hey, that was a cool little car, that. Okay, well, as I said, more Skylines. Sort of pretty hot, reasonably hot. Yeah, but you know, I've seen a ton of these. One thing I can't convey to you is the beautiful smell of exhaust and petrol. So nice. Well, this is just the tail end of the meet, so thanks guys, see ya.